2001 Dodge Ram 1500. Bought some new headlight assemblies. I'm going to show you how to install them. Looks like a pretty easy process. Unboxing them. Nice set. Yeah, they go in there and look nice once it's all done. Pretty easy process to install a new headlight assembly. Gotta make sure which one's left and which one's right. That's just the turn signal bulb and the headlight and high beam bulb. And they go in the back. High beam, low beam, and that's the turn signal. Let's see if I can put the camera down to show you how to install it. This is the passenger side. It's got a point here, just put on the bumper here, and then you start sliding in. Install the signal light bulb. Signal light bulb goes through the fender and the inside of it screws in to the housing. It's supposed to have a guide in it. Just put it in, and then it's got, and then once it's pushed in, it's got one bolt there that goes there, one on the bottom, and one in here. Sorry about the background noise. Always somebody working on the side. Show you when it's all finished. This is the bow that goes in here. 3 mounting bolts, one in there, one up there, so that's 1, that's 2, and then there's 3 in there, and that mounts the whole light assembly. Easy process. Same process for the left side, driver's side. It's got a point on the housing. You stick it down on the side and then you slide it in until you get it to the correct position that you need. Then you hook up the light on the inside. That's it. It's all done, installed. 15-minute job. Nice. Looks brand new again.